What if I told you that the sleek, shiny car you're driving could be the reason you're broke? Yep. The average American spends over $10,000 a year just to own and operate a car. That's more than what most people invest in their future. And if you're financing that $45,000 car on a $50,000 salary, you're not driving wealth, you're driving debt. Meet Jordan, 27 years old, freshly employed, earning $50,000 a year, wants to treat himself. So what does he do? He walks into a dealership and drives out in a $45,000 car. Monthly payment, $750. Add insurance, gas, maintenance. Jordan's car is eating nearly $1,200 a month. That's over $14,000 a year. He's not rich yet, but he looks the part. This is lifestyle inflation. It happens when your income increases and instead of investing the extra, you spend more to live better. New clothes, better apartment, fancier car. But here's the problem. Your savings and investments stay flat. You're earning more, but not growing wealth. You're stuck on a treadmill that looks like progress. Cars are the biggest culprits. Here's why. Average new car payment, $738 per month. Insurance, $150 per month. Gas and maintenance, $250 per month. Depreciation, 20% lost in year one. That's nearly $1,200 a month, or $14,400 a year, and 15% of millennials are financing cars with 1,000 plus monthly payments, all to impress people on the internet. Let's talk about what you're really losing. 1. Opportunity cost. That $14,000 per year could be growing in index funds, real estate, or a high-yield savings account. 2. Delayed investing. The longer you wait, the harder it is to catch up. 3. False wealth. You look rich, but your bank account is bleeding. It's not the car that's killing your future, it's the mindset behind why you bought it. Here's how to take control. Step 1. Calculate total cost of ownership. Don't just look at the sticker price, add insurance, gas, maintenance, taxes, and depreciation. Step 2. Buy used, not new. The sweet spot, 3 to 5 years old. Let someone else eat the depreciation. Step 3. Downsize or ditch. Can you go from 2 cars to 1? Use public transport? Work remotely? Step 4. Reinvest the difference. Take what you save and funnel it into your Roth IRA, ETF portfolio, emergency fund, or a high-income skill. Step 5. Reframe what wealth looks like. Wealth is not in the driveway. It's in your freedom, your peace of mind, and your options. Let's be honest, we're under pressure. Instagram, TikTok, influencers driving G-Wagons at 24. But here's what they don't show. The debt, the stress, the paycheck-to-paycheck hustle. It's time to unsubscribe from the Joneses. Wealth isn't loud. Real freedom, that's silent. As James Clear once said, you do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. So build better systems. Start today. Sell the car if you must. Downgrade if it buys you peace. Invest in you, not their opinion. Drop a comment. What's one car-related expense you can reduce this month? Like this video. If it hit home, subscribe to Money Mindset for weekly content that puts your money where your future is. You got this. See you in the next one.